Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. To start, we went in FUJI MART located at Timog Q.C to buy all the special ingredients for our udon. It's actually small but complete of products such as meats, seafoods, gyoza, soup bases and sauces, broths, batter mix, chocolates, sake, green teas, and even authentic bowls. Everything we need for our udon with unique ingredients that cannot be found anywhere was bought from here. We actually making a Japanese birthday theme feast, and this is one of the requested dish in Aid to cook for. This is our first trial making, so we're not even sure if the soup base available will make our udon tasty. So, here we go! Already made the first version of these during the actual feast. I just had to make it again for organized setup. Into marination, 16 ounces or 2 cups of beef strips, 6 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of mirin, 4 tablespoons of sake, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Mix all together and set aside for an hour. If you don't have a tempura batter mix, you need egg white, 1/2 cup of flour, and 1/2 cup of water, and then mix together. Heat a pan with half cup of oil. The deeper it is, the easier will be. No worries with pouring the entire bottle. The oil can be reused as if it wasn't even used. Using your fingertips, sprinkle the batter to make easy small crunchies. If you don't have much oil and not even using a non-stick pan like mine, the crunchies will stick to the bottom and mostly will clump together. I tried to pour a cup directly so it would be fast. Without worrying, because the ingredients are perfect, it won't stick to the bottom. It can be easily scraped without leaving burnt at the bottom. This is normal and okay. You'll just have to smash and break the clumps to scatter the way. If you're making crunchies, it should be less flour and more water. But if you're making a tempura, then vice versa of it. To make more of your soup or your soup base, use dashi broth, 1 tablespoon of dash powder, and 2 cups of water. Then mix together. Into cooking, slice 1 large onion, saute it with oil, and place the marinated beef. Fry for a few minutes till turn juicy and tender. Place 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste. You may add some depending the strength you like. And now place your dash broth soup and have a little taste to check your desired flavor. And now, boil your udon noodles for 3 minutes or depends on the package instruction. These dim sums are not part of the udon, but I want something staple food, just to add our happy tummy. But honestly, these three are delicious. Don't you ever forget your chopped scallions. To begin with your bowl, you may add some flavor from your ready-made bottled soup bases. Mine, I use dash broth again, placing a hot water before placing the udon noodles. Then placing your beef, scallions, and crushed crunchies. You may put an egg for perfect udon combo, but I place nori sheets instead. And that's it for my simple udon making. I found it fun, healthy, and even delicious. Thanks for watching.